a rubber thing to protect the mirror for not to break it. When you hit it, you usually put it in those corners. When you put it against the wall, this will protect it.
Oh, okay.
Or you hit it with something else, it won't scratch it.
What is that called?
Spacer.
Spacer?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
These are like rubber spacer. So they put it on mostly on all glasses to
Okay,
protect it
protect
against
it.
each other when you deliver it. It won't scratch each other when you put it.
Oh,
against
mainly
each
for
other.
transporting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, mainly for
And
transporting.
also when you put it, lean it against the wall or anything, you put it on the corner.
Oh, okay.
It's just a rubber thing, it's thick. to the
Protect
glass and the
protection.
mirror.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, they had to adjust it because it
It's
wasn't fitting in the hole.
outlet for
Outlet,
the
yeah.
electricity.
Uh-huh.
So we cut the mirror same size, but the way they cut it, it's a little bit round. And the plastic that you guys have on the wall is pointy, so we curve it up and file it a little bit to
fit.
fit well in the mirror.
Yeah, so this new strategy we're doing is that we're not gonna glue to the wall, which is not good if we consider.
You glue it to the wall if you use it permanent.
Yeah,
But if
exactly.
you move it around, we just use those clear clips. So
The clear clip at
if
the
you
top.
move it like next time from one place to another place, it's pretty easy to move it around. So just all you have to do unscrew those clips, the clear clips.
Yeah.
We use like 6 clips
To hold it, right?
to hold it, 2 on top, 2 in the middle, 2 in the bottom. So to hold the glass, to hold the mirror.
Is that thing strong enough? Like-
Yeah.
And is it like the nail is
We
holding
put
it right, or
dowel
a pin?
first in the wall. We put these in the wall first, then we screw the clips inside this. So this will make it pretty strong. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And one.
Yeah, so there's another way to do it because the last time we did it, we glued it, and then
Glue it glue it.
Yeah.
If you use a mirror mastic, it's good if you use it for permanent.
yeah, for
Yeah.
permanent because it's gonna be hard to
But-
take it out, right?
But this is a gym. You guys might grow up
Yeah.
next year, leave and make it bigger.
Especially since you're subscribing, you're gonna make it bigger for
No,
us.
we do.
Yeah, see?
So that way you don't have to waste those mirror here. Then you can take it away and put it over there with
Yeah.
the same equipment that you're using right now.
So are you guys gonna cut the mirror or just gonna put it? Oh, okay, so when you order the mirror, you told them, right, the
Yeah,
measurement.
I send the measurement here first, and I send them the measurement. They special custom made this glass for or mirror for this wall
Okay.
with this cup.
We don't want to block any electricity. We don't want to block anything like that that's going to keep us from getting, the gas pipe or anything like that.
Yeah.
If it's accident happen, it's costly. The fire department will come. They don't have time
They'll
to
break it.
to remove the mirror. They're gonna break it. So
Yeah.
that will cost you next time when you put the mirror back.
Yeah.
So now they know that all they have to do is they don't unscrew it. They can hit it with
Yeah.
something and
It'll come out.
Yeah, make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure to not put the mirror in front of the electric stuff.